What's the meaning of chantry chapel? Chantry chapel. Chantry chapel.
Chantry chapel. Chantry chapel. A chantry chapel is a type of chapel found in medieval churches where masses were said for specific donors who had set up endowments to support the chapel and its priests. These chapels were often decorated with elaborate carvings and stained glass windows, and served as a way for the wealthy to ensure continued prayer and remembrance after their death. Chantry chapels were popular in England from the 13th to the 16th centuries, but were abolished during the Reformation in the 16th century.